Chia seeds for weight loss. What's the best way to have them? 1. Chia seeds is one of the best superfoods to lose weight. Chia seeds, amongst all, are considered to be an all-rounder for many reasons. From boosting digestive health, metabolic rate, high iron, omega-3 content, and good fats, chia seeds make for an excellent addition to your diet. Most of all, the tiny white and black seeds are great for you to lose weight and reduce belly fat. 2. Loaded with nutrients. For those who don't know, it has one of the healthiest nutrient profiles to offer. 100 grams of chia seed contains 16.5 grams of protein, 34.4 grams of dietary fibers, 7.7 milligrams of iron, and 335 milligrams of magnesium. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. 3. How chia seeds can help you lose weight faster. It is said that 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain at least 10 grams of fiber. For the same reason, it is linked to weight loss. They also make for an excellent source of plant-based protein. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that chia seed supplementation reduced appetite and increasing feelings of satiety in participants. 4. What happens when you consume chia seeds regularly? They also score relatively high on antioxidant and omega-3 content, which helps keep the heart healthy, fight bad fat and free radicals in the body. It also contains zero cholesterol, which is a great way to keep extra weight under check. 5. Soaking chia seeds overnight. While there's no real harm in eating chia seeds as it is, soaking chia seeds in liquid for hours could help you extract all nutritional benefits it has to offer. Plus, the water it soaks up in the process can help you stay hydrated. 6. Combine them with other ingredients. For a super nutrient boost, which is also a weight loss snack, try adding in chia seeds to a bowl of yogurt. While yogurt is rich in good bacteria which clears away toxins, chia seeds can add in a touch of protein and fiber to the snack.